Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, happy, healthy. So here comes up last chapter of your book. Okay, so this chapter is chapter number 9 of your book, and the name of the chapter is Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. But before starting this video, I want to ask a question from you all. Have you already watched the previous videos or your previous chapter? Are you done with that? 1 to 8 chapter is already clear. If some doubt is there, comment down below. Okay. I am hoping so that all the chapter that we already discussed means for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth, we are still going on. But up to 8 chapters, everything is clear. So my dear learners, in this chapter, in this class, we will see chapter number 9. In this chapter, we will see about robots. Nowadays, robots are very popular, and nowadays robots are used in different sectors due to artificial intelligence. Due to what we will see, what is artificial intelligence, how the robots are working on it. Robots are working in education sector also, health sector also. Yes, in the hotels also, in news anchoring also, robots are working on it. So let's see what are the roles of robots and why and where we use robots. Okay, and how the artificial intelligence is working on it. Okay, let's start chapter number 9 of your book. Okay, so chapter number 9, robotics and artificial intelligence. So start with, what is a robot? This is how the robots look like. Yes, in the movies we can see this type of robots. Okay, so we will see what is a robot. So a robot is an automatic machine which is programmed to perform some specific task without or with little human intervention. So they can do, you have to give the command to robots, they can do whatever they want to do. Okay, so you give instruction to the robot or it gets activated on its own and perform the program task. So they can automatically activate whatever the commands you are giving to you, that robots will automatically do for you. Okay, now we will see things robots can do better than humans. Means if I compare humans and robots, so in what areas robots are far better than human beings. Let's see. First is repetitive tasks such as generating reports, they are good. Okay, second, work in unpredictable or hazardous environments such as gas leaks. Normally robots are very good in the areas where human beings life is very dangerous, like in the war, or in the in going in a very dangerous or hazardous places, then robots will be there, because robots are the machines. If human can go in that area, their life become dangerous, their life become risky. Okay, so in that areas we can go, we can take robots with it. Okay, next, third, assess during surgeries also, they give assessment also. Okay, fourth, deliver online order, room services and even food packets during the emergencies. Okay, and fifth, help in search and rescue operations. So in the rescue and search operations also we use robots. So nowadays robots are working in different fields. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, now we will see role of artificial intelligence, that is AI in robotics. So what is the role of AI? Let's see. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a process of putting intelligence in robots through programming. So through programming we will do all these things. Okay, so through programming we can do, or whatever you want to do with the robots we can do. Second thing, artificially intelligent robots can perform tasks such as reasoning, analysis the object, picking and moving object, and even modifying the object. So we can do, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can apply your reasoning also, analyzing also object, picking and moving the object from one place to another place with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, next. Third is, artificial intelligence gives a vision to a robot, using with a robot can see, identify and analyze the object. Nowadays, robots will see, identify and analyze the objects also. That is very, very, very important. Okay. Fourth is robots with artificial intelligence can detect and recognize the faces and expression well. So they can detect your faces also. Okay. And your expressions also. So these comes under artificial intelligence. Okay. So this is the role of artificial intelligence in making the robot. Okay. Now we will see uses of robots. So where we can use the robots. Okay. So robots are largely used in various areas such as manufacturing, education, transport, home, health sector, etc. to perform the assigned tasks and to ease the workload of human. To ease the workload of human, we will use robots. Let us discuss about various uses of robot in society. Let's see what are the uses of robots in society. Okay. First, we will see about manufacturing. So, in manufacturing, what is the role of manufacturing robots in manufacturing sector? Like in industries, what is the role? Let's see. So, a robot which are used in manufacturing industries are called industrial robots. So, the robots which work in the field of industries are known as industrial robots. These robots are specially trained to perform the tedious and repetitive tasks such as welding, assembling, painting, machines cutting, grinding and polishing. These 5 things robots are expert in it. So in industrial sectors we use robots. Okay. Now, for example, SCARA, that means Selective Compliances Articulate Robots Arm, is an industrial robot used in manufacturing. Nowadays, in manufacturing sector, we use SCARA. Okay, so this thing is important. Okay, and in different in other field also we use robots. Like in health sector also we use robots. Okay, so robots are used in healthcare to assist physicians in performing surgeries and other operations, such as in healthcare sector also we use robots. Like we use prosthetic limbs for disabled patients, provide therapy to the patients, mass production of drugs and medicines also, perform surgeries also. So they perform all these things. So that's why in health sector also robots are working on it. Okay. So for example, DIVC surgery system is a robot in which we use by the surgeon in performing robotic assistant surgeries. So nowadays robots do surgeries. They assist in surgeries. They assist in surgeries. Okay. So we will see health sector also robots are very important. Next, in education also. In education field also that we can see, education field also we can see robots are very, very helpful. Let's see where. So robots are used in education sector also. So robots are used in education sector to help children in learning and performing educational tasks also. So they can, with the help of robot, they can perform some educational tasks. So it can be used to do the tasks such as assist teachers and teach children. So they give assessment and teach children. Help autistic children in learning also. In education sector, robots are also working. So for example, NIO. What's that? NIO is an educational humanoid robot which is used in over 6,000 education institutions all around the world. So this is robots are working in the education field. Next, in transportation also. In transports also we use robots. So robots are used as a mode of transportation also, such as self-driving cars also, robot bus, and unmanned aircraft also nowadays. That comes under robots. Okay. So transport robots are equipped with laser, sensor, GPS, that is global positioning systems, and other technologies that they are also used in various factories, restaurants, medical institutions, and other fields to carry goods. Okay, so in these we can use the robots. Next, for example, VEOM is a self-driveless vehicle which available in 24/7. This is the car. Okay, now in the home also we use robots. See, robots maybe in future every home has a robots in it. Okay, so robots are used at home to simplify the work of human beings. They are used to perform tasks such as cleaning the house, for entertainment, for teaching children, for security. For example, Roomba is a home robot which are used to clean the house. So nowadays in the household works also robots are working on it, to cleaning the room, to washing utensils, okay, to making the bed. All these things are also done by the robots. Okay, now we will see how we will see the advantages of robot. So what are the advantage of robots? Why the robots are very useful? First, safety. So heavy machinery, machines that run on hot temperature and sharp object can easily injure human beings. Yes, if the temperature is hot or sharp object is there, so human being can easily hurt, but robots cannot. So by assessing such dangerous tasks to robot, we can remove some of the risks. So in these hazardous places, robots can go. Okay. Second, also speed. Also nowadays, robots are more faster than human beings. So robots can work 24 hours a day without taking rest, which help in speed of production. They do not need rest or feel stressed out. Human beings become stressed or they want some rest, but robots don't. So that's why robots working very fast. Perfection also, the work of robots should be very perfect according to the human beings. So robots can program for precise repetitive tasks, so they are less likely to make mistakes. So they do not make mistakes. They always deliver quality. But they deliver quality. Okay. Next, productivity also. The work of robots are very productive as compared to human beings. So robots can talk to customer, answer emails and social media comments, help us with branding and marketing and sell products. So all these things we can able to do with the help of robots. So robots, we can say, have very safer, they have fast speed, they have more perfection, they also have more productivity as compared to humans. So that's why we will see nowadays robots are working lots, now very famous nowadays. Okay, so this is a chapter all about. I'm hoping so this chapter is totally clear to you. Yes, so yeah, this is the chapter all about. I'm hoping so this chapter is clear, this whole book is covered, and I'm hoping the whole chapters are also clear to you. So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you in your next class. Till then, keep learning, keep shining. Have a good day. Bye bye.